Faheem, welcome to another amazing tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can download iOS 13 beta profile on your iPhone. So the thing you'll have to do is open up iPhone, and from there and on your iPhone, just go to open up a new tab, go to Google, type iOS lift as you can see, and once you're here, just click on the iOS download profile. Scroll down, hit accept, scroll down till you find the iOS 13 beta. As you can see, here it is, and as you can see, iOS 14 beta is on its way, so it will be available soon for you guys to download. 21 days remaining for the big update and for the iOS 14, as you can see. So to download the iOS 13, as you can see guys, another thing I want to tell you, the process for iOS 14 will be same. If you are watching this video after 22nd June, then you are able to download this iOS 14 beta profile if you want. But if you are watching it before 22nd June 2020, then you just have to click on the download button which says iOS 13 beta profile. So just click on that. As you can see, another page loads up, hit allow. Okay, so as you can see, review the profile in setting app if you want to install it. So okay, if you want to install it, just go back, go to settings, go down to general, and from there scroll down till you find, as you can see under the VPN, it's saying profiles. So just click on that. As you can see, I have already installed a profile, but here's another one in pending. So just click on that, hit the install button, and type your password. And as you can see, now here's the terms and agreement for the beta license program. Hit install, click on install, as you can see, and now just restart your phone. And once you have restarted your phone guys, just go to settings, go to software update, and from there you will get the beta update for the iOS 13. So as you can see right now, iOS 13.5, it's up to date, and there is no new update for especially for developers. So once the update is available, just you will see the iOS 15.1 or whatever update they release for developers by Apple. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and also like this video. Bye.